What is up, guys? It's your boy Rexy and welcome back to the channel. So today, guys, I'm going to show you guys a brand new method you can go and use and start making some extra money online for free. So you don't need any investment and you don't need any skills to go and get started with this method. I'm going to show you guys how you can go and use this method and start making some extra money by the end of this video. So you're going to make money with this method. You're going to watch this video step by step till the end. Are you going to actually take the time and implement this method I'm going to be showing you guys? Are you going to implement it? You're going to start earning some extra money online for free, so you don't need any investment to go and get started using this method and start making some extra money online. And also, an advantage about using this method is that this method is worldwide, so you can go and do this from anywhere around the world. So there's no restriction for you not to go and use this method and implement it right today and start making some easy money online for 100% free. So you need to get started, for example, a PayPal account or a bank account, so you're going to be able to withdraw money when you actually make money, what I'm going to be showing you guys right today. So be sure to pay very close attention right to the end and implement the strategy, and you're going to start making some extra money online with this method I'm going to show you right here. So that's it, guys. If you're new to the channel, guys, be sure to subscribe to the channel so you're going to get different time that I post new videos that can help you guys start making some extra money online. So I post new videos every day. I'm going to go and take action on this method and actually implement it. You're going to start making easy money online. Also, I have a second channel. It's called Smart Online Payday. I'm going to leave the link to that channel in the description. Be sure to go and subscribe to the channel because I'm also going to be posting a lot more methods on that channel that can help you guys start making some extra money online. So I'm going to leave the link in the description. So that's it, guys. So I'm also giving away a mystery box. That's a secret method that can help you start making some extra money online. I can go and win this mystery box and can use it and start making some easy money online as soon as today. So you want to go and win this mystery box, all you're going to do is that you're going to go and subscribe to the channel and enable notifications. You're going to leave a like and share this video. I'm also going to leave the comment on this video as well. You're going to have a chance to win this mystery box for free and can use it and make some easy money online. So what you're going to do from here is that we're going to go and pick a location from the last video that's going to win this mystery box right here. So I'm going to go to the last video and copy the URL. I'm going to go to random image commenter. I'm going to go and paste the URL right here. So let's paste the URL and click on get YouTube comments. I'm going to go and click on start. So if you're the winner, guys, what you're going to do is that you're going to go and send me a message on Instagram. I'm going to send this method for free. So I'm going to leave my Instagram handle in the description. So you can go and send me a message on Instagram. I'm going to send this method so you can use it and start making some extra money online. And also want to learn my step-by-step method I'm using to make money every day online. Be sure to click first in the description. I'm going to show you the exact method I'm using to make money every day on Clickbank. So that's it, guys. So let's get into the video. Let me show you guys how you can go and use this method right today and start earning some extra money very fast online. So let's get into the video, guys. Okay, guys, so let's go into the video. Let me show you guys exactly what you're going to do to start making some extra money online very fast for 100% free. So the first step is you're going to go to the Clickbank affiliate marketplace. So you go to the Clickbank affiliate marketplace. What you're going to do is you're going to see some products that are selling very well on Clickbank. So we're going to start by gravity. So start by gravity right here. You're going to see the top selling products on Clickbank. So these products that are selling on Clickbank means that many people are buying these products very well. And if you go and sell this type of products, you can go and make a lot of money. So you see right at the top, you're going to see that this one, for example, is a weight loss product. The second one is a weight loss product. The third one is a weight loss product. Even the fourth one is a weight loss product. So this one is a diabetes product right here. So you can see, for example, is that weight loss products are selling very well on Clickbank, which means that a lot of people are buying these weight loss products. If you go and sell these weight loss products, you can actually make a lot of money. So if you go to any other category on Clickbank, you're also going to see that there are a lot of products that are selling very well. For example, if you go, for example, to let's say, for example, self-help, you're going to see that if you sort by gravity, you're going to see that some products are also converting very well. For example, dating products are converting very well in that particular category. So what I'm going to do from here is I can go and sell any type of these products that's converting very well. I can still go and make a lot of money. Since from here, as if you sort by gravity, you're going to see that weight loss products are the top selling products on Clickbank, which means that many people are willing to buy this product. What I can do is I can go and sell this type of product right now and make some extra money online. So what I'm going to do is that what I'm going to do next for me is I'm going to go to this website. It's called InDigitalWorks. So if you type InDigitalWorks on Google, you're going to find this website right here. It's called InDigitalWorks.com. So this is a website I can go and buy PLR ebooks, you can buy PLR articles, you can buy PLR videos from this website, and even PLR softwares from this website. What you're going to do is you're going to go to the website InDigitalWorks and you're going to go and sign up for a free account on this website. So to sign up for a free account on this website, what you're going to do is that you're going to go and be able to go and download some products on this website for completely free. So what you're going to do is that you're going to go and sign up for a free account. But if you're going to sign up, for example, to the Gold membership, you're going to have a lot more products that you can go and use on this website. So for this method, I'm going to be showing you guys you can go and get started with the free method. I don't need any investment to go and get started with the free method. I can still get a lot of PLR products on this website for free, as I'm going to show you right here. You can go and use it and make a lot of money online. So you sign up for a free account on this website, you're going to see that you're still going to be able to get up to 200 products for free. So you can go and get up to 200 products that you can go and download from this website for free without paying any money on this website right here. So you can see it has up to 6,000 ebooks, and can see up to 1,000 software, 1,000 videos, and a lot more, and up to 200,000 plus articles on this website. So what you're going to do from here is that once you sign up for a free account, you're going to see right here, you're going to see free products right here. You can see free ebooks, free software, free videos, free templates, graphics, and music from here. So what I can do from here is I can go and click, for example, free videos, and you can go and find a lot of videos you can go and use and sell a lot of this, and you can go and make a lot of money online. So what I'm going to do from here is I'm going to go and be selling weight loss products, because you can see weight loss products are the top ones on Clickbank affiliate marketplace, which means that many people are selling these products and they're making a lot of money. So scroll down here, you're going to find a lot of different courses that you can go and download from this website for 100% free. So we're just going to go and look for one that's related to weight loss that you can go and sell as well. So you can see these are weight loss videos. So if you scroll down, you're going to find a lot more different weight loss courses that have been created and put on this website. So these are complete courses that people have created and are put on this website for free. I can just go and download this and can go and use it and make some extra money online. So for example, you can see this you can see this one, TLC diet transformation. So this is a course right here. So let's click on this one. For example, the Lose Your Belly Diet Deluxe. I can see this is the product right here, and you can go and use this and sell this and make some extra money online for free without any investment. So you can see right here, you're going to scroll down, you're going to find more instructions about this particular video right here. So you can see you can sell this as your own. You can use this for personal use. So you have the right to go and sell this for free without any investment. So this is a video course, and I can go and click, for example, on preview. I can go and see all the videos that are being taught inside this particular video course right here. So this is a very valuable video course that you can go and sell for a high amount of money, because people tend to sell video courses for a higher amount than audio or ebook courses. So what you're going to do from here is that you're just going to go and click on download, and you're going to go and download this for free. So click on download, and that is going to download for free. I can go and use it and sell this online for free. As I'm going to show you guys, I can use it and make some extra money online. So I'm just going to go and cancel this for this example. But once you download that, what you're going to do is that you're going to go to this website. You're going to go to Google. You're going to go and type simplegoods.co. So you're going to find this website. It's called simplegoods.co. So that is the name of the website. So let's go to the website. This is how the website is going to look like, and I can go and sell your products on this website for 100% free. So let me show you guys the plan. So these are the plans. You can see right here, you can get started with $0 per month, and that's just going to take only 3% off the sale of your product on this website. You can go and sell up to 3 products on this website for free. So you want to upgrade to, for example, to $9 per month, you can go and sell up to 10 products on this website. And for $29 per month, you can sell up to 50 products on this website right here. So this is very inexpensive. I can go and get started with for free and start making some extra money very fast, as I'm going to show you guys right here. So what you're going to do from here is that you're going to go and sign up for a free account on this website. So you click on sign up. You're going to be able to sign up for a free account on this website. And once you sign up for a free account, you can go and start selling these products on this website for free. So once you log into your account, so this is how your dashboard is going to look like. I can go and sell these different products right here, and I'm going to show you guys how you can go and get some traffic to these products and start making some extra money online. So the main advantage about you selling these products is that you're not going to be promoting like an affiliate products on Clickbank that are going to give you, for example, 50% of the commission. So you can go and get all the commission from the sales that you're going to make from selling these products on this website. So what you're going to do is that once you sign up for a free account on this website, so this is completely free, what you're going to do is you're going to have your dashboard. And all you're going to do from here is that from this dashboard, all you're going to do is that you're going to go and click on add products. You can see products. You can go and click on products, and that's it, guys. You're going to be able to add your products on this website. You can go and sell for completely free. So you're going to do from here is that you can just click on new products, and that's it, guys. You're going to be able to add the name of your product. You can add a description. I can go and add the image and upload your product to this website right here. So I'm going to do from here is I'm just going to go and use this one as an example. I'm going to show you guys how you can go and sell your products for sale on this website for free. So let's say, for example, we're going to go and sell this product. So you can see is the name of the product. So for this example, I'm just going to copy this name, and I'm just going to name the product the Lose Your Belly Diet Deluxe. So you can go and change the name of this product and sell it on this website right here. So I'm just going to paste this. All you're going to do is you're going to go and write a convincing description of this particular product that's going to make people to go and buy your video course right here. So for example, I'm just going to copy this. So let me just copy this for this example. I'm just going to paste this as my description on this website. And that's it, guys. This is the description of the products. I can go and write a longer description to convince people to go and buy this product. So you can also go, for example, to different products on the Clickbank affiliate marketplace. You can go to the landing pages. I can go and get some idea of what copy you can go and use and sell your products on these different websites right here. So for example, what we're going to do from here is that we're just going to go and leave it like this as our description. You can go and set the price right here. So you can go and set, we're going to use US dollar. You can go and set the price. So let's say, for example, you're going to be selling this course. Since this is a video course, you can go and sell it, for example, for $40. So let's say, for example, at $40, you can go and input the price. You can go and input the price more than $40 on this website. So you're going to do from here is I can go and upload the file. So you can go and upload the video course I'm going to download from this website right here. And when people buy this product from this website, it's going to be automatically delivered to them right here. So what you're going to do from here is that you're just going to go and click on choose file. So I'm just going to go and upload a random file for this example. So let me click on choose file. I'm just going to go and click on select files from here. I'm just going to go and select a random file for this example and just click on open and just click on upload, and that is it. Your files are going to be uploaded to this website right here. So you don't need any website to go and get started with this website and sell your products on this website. So you're going to do from here is that you're just going to go and choose, for example, the product image. So for the product image, you can go and design a nice product image, for example, on Fiverr. But for this example, I'm just going to go and save this image. I can go and use this and sell this product. So let me just save this image and I'm just going to go and upload it on that website. So I'm just going to go and upload it right here. So click on choose image. I'm going to go and select a image file from here. And that's it, guys. I'm just going to go and open this on this website. And that's it, guys. So what you're going to do is you're going to go and take a lot more time. You can go, for example, to Fiverr and go and design a good cover image for your product. And you're just going to go and click on save. I'm just going to leave this one for this example. I'm just going to go and click on upload. And that's it, guys. It's going to be uploaded on this website. And that's all, guys. So you can go and send people to this particular product, and if they buy, you're going to be making some extra money online from here. So you're going to do from here is you're just going to go and click on create product. And that's it, guys. The product is going to be created right here, and this is the link that you can go and share on the internet. And when people go right here, they're going to go to the sales page of your product. So I click, for example, on view. You're going to see that people can go and buy this product right here for $40. You can see this is the description of your product right here. So you can see right here, sorry, this product is not yet for sale because you have to go and set up your Stripe account, so you're going to be able to receive money when you make sales right here. So to go and solve this problem right here, all you're going to do is that you're going to go and integrate your Stripe account. So you go, for example, to dashboard. All you're going to do is you're going to go and click right here, set up your Stripe account. So instead of your Stripe account on this website, that's how you're going to be able to receive your money on this website right here. I can go and transfer this to your bank account from this website. So that's a simple method you can go and use and start making some extra money online without any investment, and these are 100% free, and these are very valuable video courses I can go and sell for a high amount of money. I can go and make some extra money online. So what you're going to do for me is that you're just going to go and copy the link. So you'll go back to products. You're just going to go and copy the link of that product. I can go and share it all over the internet. So you're going to go and copy this link. I'm going to go and share it to people that are interested in losing weight. Some of the best methods you can go and use and promote these products right here is to go to Facebook and you can go and sell it on Facebook groups. So if you go to Facebook, for example, and just have example weight loss, you're going to find a lot of different weight loss groups that many people are interested in losing weight. I can go and sell this on those different Facebook groups. I can go and make some very good money from selling from those different groups. So just have example weight loss. You can see this group has up to 137,000 members right now, and you can go and promote this product. You can go and make a lot of money from there. So click, for example, on groups. You're going to find there are a lot of groups. There are thousands of groups on Facebook about weight loss. I can go and promote your affiliate products right there. You can go and make a lot of money from here. So you can see these are different groups I can go and join. I can see these groups are very active. So if I zoom this, you're going to see that, for example, this one's getting up to 40 posts a day. You can see one 910 posts a day. I can see one up to 1,000 posts per day. So these are very active groups. I go to these different groups and make valuable posts on those different groups and sell your product. You can go and make a lot of money from these different groups right here. So I click on this one, for example, you're going to find a lot of different members inside. I'm going to see that these groups are very active, and all you're going to do to make a lot of money by promoting your products on these groups, they're going to go and provide a lot of value in these different groups. So when you provide value on these different groups, you can easily sell your products on these different groups right here. So these are different posts that many people are posting. I can see many people are promoting different products, and many people are also promoting, for example, weight loss products on these different groups right here. So that's a simple method you can go and use right today. I can go and make some extra money online without any investment. And all you're going to do is you can go and take action on this method, and if you implement it, you are going to actually make some extra money online. So that's it, guys. So if you go, for example, to this website in Digital Works, as I've shown you guys, and click on free products, you're going to find products in different categories, because there are a lot of different categories on Clickbank as well that products are converting very well. You can go and find different products in all categories on this website that you can go and sell and make some extra money online. So that's it, guys. So if you found value in this video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel so I continue to make these videos that can help you guys start making some extra money very fast online. So that's it, guys. I want to learn my step-by-step method I'm using to make money every day on Clickbank. Be sure to click the first link in the description, and I'm going to show you guys exactly the method I'm using to make money every day on Clickbank. So that's it, guys. Take action on this method, and I'll see you guys in the next video.